Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So students, as you know, we are doing fraction chapter. So today our topic is multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Okay, so I'm taking here one example, multiplication of fraction by a whole number. Okay, first is fraction and second one is a whole number. So there are two methods to solve this sum. So first I am taking first method. Students, when whole number is given, so there is no denominator. Okay, but if there is no denominator, it means its denominator is 1, not 0. Okay, don't put here 0 because it has no denominator. So whole numbers have always 1 as denominator. Okay, so now in multiplication of fraction, no need to take LCM, no need to make them like fractions like we do in addition and subtraction. Okay, so in multiplication, just you have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Okay, so 3 8s are 24, 2 1s are 2. So after multiplying, you can divide it in rough, or you can cancel both these with common table like 24 and 2. You can see here 2 is the common table. So when we cancel, we don't write common table. So 2 ones are 2, 12 twos are 24. So what is left? 12 over 1. So again 12 over 1 means if 1 is the denominator, it means this number is a whole number. So 12 is the answer. Okay, now let's see the second method. So in second method also, in first step we will write 3 by 2 multiplied with 8 by 1, because 8 is the whole number, so we will put 1 as denominator. Okay, so here you can cancel first before multiplying numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. You can see if there is any common table between numerator and denominators. So I can see here common table, 2's common table. So 2 ones are 2, 4 twos are 8. So students, the important thing which you have to keep it in mind, that cancellation is possible only between numerator and denominators. In these two, or in these two, or in these two, or in these two. You cannot cancel numerator with numerator because both are multiplying. Actually, cancellation is what? Cancellation is division. So division is possible if one is numerator and second one is denominator, not numerator with a numerator. Many students do this mistake. They cancel numerator with numerator. No, that will be totally wrong because numerator with numerator both are multiplied. Similarly, denominator and denominator both are multiplied with each other. We cannot cancel. Okay, so 2 is being cancelled with 8 on table 4. So 2 ones are 2, 4 twos are 8. So what is left? Now there is no common table. Now next step is same. Multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. 3 fours are 12. 1 ones are 1. So again, if 1 is there, so it means it's a whole number. So if you see, both sides answers are same, only methods are different. Here in last you can cancel, here in first step you can cancel if there is any common table. But the important point to learn, important point to remember, that only denominators can be cancelled with numerators or numerators can be cancelled with denominators. Okay, so one more example I am taking here for more understanding. So first is fraction 3 by 8 and next is whole number 48 kilometer. Now here units are given. Okay, so 3 by 8, step is same, 3 by 8 into 48 over 1. Now I am following second method. Okay, it's your choice, any method you can follow. So I am adopting second method here. Now I can see 8 and 48. There is common table of 8. Okay, so 8 ones are 8, 6 eights are 48. For this your tables should be strong. Okay, so now there is no common table. 3 and 6, please don't cancel 3 and 6. That will be totally wrong. They are multiplied with each other, they are not divided. Okay, so what is left? 3 6 are 18 and 1 1s are 1. So 18 over 1 means only 18 kilometers. If in statement there are units, in answer you will write units. Okay, I hope it is all clear to you. Thank you students, have a nice day.